dear students, all of you. So, my dear students, in previous lecture, we completed the block number 5 as well as block test number 5. Okay. So, my dear students, today we will learn about the new block, that is the block number 6. Our block name is elapsed time. Our block name is elapsed time, and lesson number 1, the lesson name is converting time. Means that today we will learn about the how we convert the time. Means that the minute into hour and hour into minutes. So you know that suppose this is a wall clock. This is a wall clock like the 12, 6, 3, 9, here 1, 2, 4, 5, here 7, 8, 10 and 11. This is a wall clock, and on this wall clock there are two hands present. First is a hour hand and second is a minute hand. So the short hand is always called the hour hand, and the long hand is always called the minute hand. So my dear students, in this way we study about the measuring time, but today we will learn about the elapsed time. So you know that suppose this hour hand completed the one circle, that is called the 12 hours. 12 hours. This hour hand completed the two circles, then again prepare the 12 hours. This is a day 12 hours and this is a night 12 hours, and totally 24 hours. So one day time is a 24 hours. So you know that this minute hand completed the one circle and formed the 1 hour, and it completed the 60 minutes. It completed the 60 minutes. Means that it is clear that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Understand? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. But how we converted? How we converted hour into minutes and minutes into hour? How we converted the minutes into hour? And how we converted the hour into minutes? You know any idea about this? Okay, so my dear students, let's start converting time. Lesson number 1. Okay. So first of all, I read the lesson and then we discussing about it. Okay. So let's start. The duration means the time taken for one activity or event. एखादा इव्हेंट किंवा ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी जो टाइम लागतो, that is called the duration. So the duration of an event is the amount of time is passed. Duration of time can be measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years and so on. महा पिरियड्स, ड्युरेशन म्हणजे पिरियड, टाइम किती काळाचा असू शकतो, सेकंदचा असू शकतो, मिनिट असू शकतात, तास, दिवस, महिने, वर्ष, अनेक वर्ष. ओके. सो we know that the 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. हे लर्न करायचं म्हणजे लक्षात राहतं. 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, to compare two time durations in a different units, we can convert time from one unit to another unit, minutes to and hours as follows. Means that here we converted the hours into minutes and minutes into hours. Okay. So see the question number 1. So in this lesson first upon the question number 1. So question 1, convert hours into minutes and minutes into hours. Convert hours. We write here in the short, but you write the complete word. Hours into minutes and minutes into hours. Means that जे hours आहेत ते मिनिट मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे, जे मिनिट्स आहेत ते hour मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे. So here given the chart, and on this chart you write how many hours. How many hours? Here give the question mark and how many minutes. How many minutes. Okay, and the next A, and after that give the B. Okay, so let's start the converting. So here gives the 3 hours and here gives the 360 minutes. So my dear students, already you know that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So at the time of conversion of hours into minutes, we multiply by with 60 to the given minutes. Listen carefully and write this in your notebook. At the time of conversion of hours into minutes, we multiply by with 60 to the given hours. Then the next sentence is, next rule is, at the time of conversion of minutes into hours. At the time of conversion of minutes into hours, we divide it by with 60, then the form hours. Okay? ज्यावेळी हॉवरचं रूपांतर मिनिट मध्ये करायचं तर दिलेल्या हॉवरला 60 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. ज्या वेळेला मिनिटचं रूपांतर हॉवर मध्ये करायचं आहे त्यावेळी दिलेल्या मिनिटांना 60 ने डिवाइड करायचं. So see here 3 hours. So how many minutes? So you know that the 3 hours is equal to 3 into 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore we multiply by 60 is equal to. So 3 into 60, 60 into 3, 3 0 0, 6 3s are 80. So answer is 180. Understand? Very simple. Then next B, 360 minutes. At the time of conversion of minutes into hours, we divided by with 60 to the given minutes. Means that 360 divided by 60 is equal to, so see here the 360 divided by 60, 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 and 6 6 are 36. So answer is 6 hours. Understand? Okay. So my dear students, the second example, Ramit's grandfather prays for 120 minutes every day. For how many hours does she pray? So grandmother काय करतात 120 minutes काय करतात प्रे करतात, प्रार्थना करतात. So त्याचे hours किती? So you know that at the time of conversion of minutes into hours, we divide with 60 to the given minutes. Therefore 120 divided by 60, 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So is equal to 2 hours. Answer is 2 hours. Okay. So my dear students, already I tell the answers of question 1 and 2. So today's homework of subject math, solve the question 3, 4 and 5 and send me with WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.